Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. In today's video, I wanted to take you along with me while I make over my pantry. As you can see, it is a hot mess express. So if you guys want to see what I did to make this over, make it look nice and organized, then please keep watching. Alright, so as you can see, my pantry is a hot mess. It is kind of small, so it is hard to find everything. So I did get a few things from Amazon. Those risers right there on the left are from Amazon. These blue buckets are from Dollar Tree, and these food organizer bins are also from Amazon. I will link them down below, and then I got some more snacks to refill the pantry. So we're just gonna take everything out, wipe everything down, and get going. But first, wanted to show you my beautiful cat Loki. She's so sweet. But anyway, back to cleaning. Let's take everything out and wipe it down. I was truly amazed at how much stuff was in here, considering our pantry is so tiny. So I'm going to be using this simple green cleaner. I'm going to be storing food in here, so I don't want to put any harsh chemicals. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe down all the shelves, and then I will clean the floor with the cleaner as well. It's really great stuff. We buy it at Home Depot. We get the big bottle of it and then pour it into this bottle and dilute it with water. But it's really great stuff. I will link that down below as well. Alright, and here's all the food that came out of the pantry. So now I'm just going to go through and check all the expiration dates, toss any old food, and just clean up everything and get it nice and ready to be put back into the pantry. So now I'm going to be taking the most used pasta. We have like shells and rotini and then those little elbow ones. There's a few that I buy on a regular basis. I'm going to go ahead and put the most used ones in the containers. In hindsight, I wish I would have got more containers. I will be going back to Amazon and getting more, but these are really great, good quality, and I highly recommend them. We eat a lot of pasta in my house. A lot of pasta and a lot of rice. Now I did decide to put some cookies in these jars just because, you know, these little packaging, these little plastic packaging, they don't really keep the cookies fresh. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in the containers, fit as much as I can in there, and then I will refill once these start to get low. If you guys haven't tried the Ritz Crispers, they are so good. My daughter loves both flavors. They only have 2 flavors, but they are really, really good. Alright, now I'm going to take these risers. I got these from Amazon. They did call them spice racks, but you can use them for cans too. They work just as good. So I'm going to go ahead and take the tags off and start putting the cans back in there. Now I did double these up. You could do 1 can, but I feel like you can still see it. You can see it a lot better than you could before, the way my pantry was before. So I don't mind double stacking these. I can still tell what's behind. Guys, please don't mind that little tuft of hair at my neck. My hair is a little bit shorter than it used to be, and that particular piece is much shorter, so it never wants to stay up when I put it in a ponytail, so don't mind that little straggly piece of hair. It's driving me crazy watching this. So now I'm going to be taking all of those seasoning packets and putting it in this little container. This will keep everything a lot more organized and better off than in a bag. As you can see, like I had it before, they were in a plastic baggie and you could never find anything. So this is definitely much better. Now you will see I move things around quite a bit, still trying to get the placement right. So we have a ton of tea. We love tea in this house, tea and coffee, but I had so many tea bags, it was just out of control with all those little boxes. As you'll see here in a second, I was trying to be fast and get it all in there, and I ended up dropping all of them all over the floor. Whoops. So now I'm going to be putting back all of the storage containers. I did end up having to mix like the pasta and the snacks because this pantry is just so tiny. This is the smallest pantry we ever had. In our old house, we had a really large pantry. It was like double or triple the size of this one. So just make do with what you got. I'm putting back the cereal containers. I got those a long time ago. I will be trying to find some more. I have not found those exact ones since, so I'm always on the lookout for more storage food containers. All right, this is the fun part. Have you guys seen that TikTok trend where there's videos of people refilling their pantry or their fridge? It is so satisfying, and I found this just as satisfying. And watching it, I'm like, ooh, this is very relaxing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start sorting all of the snacks. I know this looks like a lot of snacks for one kid, but it is for all of us. Plus she is in summer camp, so I want to make sure she has a good variety. Every single day she could pick something different. So yeah, it does look like a lot of food, but it does get eaten, trust me. We are a family of snackers here. Look how nice and neat that looks. So satisfying. Especially these raisins, they fit in there perfectly. It was awesome. All right, now I'm going to be taking these larger bins, also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be putting my onions and my potatoes in there. I thought these were great for potatoes and onions since they need to be in a cool, dark place, so this was perfect. Now, these containers aren't super durable, but hey, they do the job. If you lift them up by the handles, it'll be just fine, but it was super great, and it looks really good in the pantry. Looks very organized and put together. All right, now we're gonna go back and start putting things back in the pantry. Like I said before, I had to move things around quite a bit just to try to get everything to fit, but I did end up getting everything in there. So it did take a lot of Tetris. I had to move stuff around, but hey, it is what it is. Alright, that wraps up the pantry makeover. The top shelf still needs some work, but hey, how often do you use that stuff on the top shelf? I will link the food storage containers from Amazon down below, as well as the spice rack or the can rack. Unfortunately, Dollar Tree, you have to go into store to get those items, but they do have different colors, different styles for anybody in any sized pantry. But if you guys like this video, stay tuned. I will be filming a fridge makeover coming very, very soon. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!